Hi, I'm going to talk today a little bit about praxis and how we define that, and about the types of motor action that really affect the students we work with. So first of all, praxis is what we do and how we do it. In other words, it's the process by which cognition directs motor. The first step of the process is creating an idea, then comes planning, then sequencing, and then reflecting and adjusting on that idea. So one example I like to use or think about is a baby noticing her favorite toy across the room and then crawling over to it, wanting that toy. So the baby crawls across the room to the toy bin, and let's say in the middle of that, the family dog walks into the room and the baby has to readjust her plan. She might have to crawl under the dog or around the dog, but she figures out a way to get to that toy. So wanting the toy is the idea, crawling to it is her plan, making her body sequence those steps is the sequence, and then problem solving is the readjustment or the reflection on that idea or action. So there's a variety of motor actions, but I'm going to go over the four main types right now that we really think about when we're working with our kids. So one way to think about that is to think about the brain and the areas in the brain. In the cortical area, we have two types. We have purposeful and automatic motor actions. So for example, say you want to learn how to sign your name in cursive. So you go through learning how to do that. You have this purposeful motor plan, and you do it and you do it, and to the point it becomes myelinated or automatic. Then you can just sign your name in cursive without even thinking about it. In a lower region or subcortical area of the brain, there's two other major motor actions, which are the impulsive and the reflexive. And the impulsive area has short, fast neuronal pathways that are essential for survival, and it's also where our reflexive actions are kept. So these are actions we take without thinking about it at all. So there we have a little bit about praxis, about the four types of motor, and when we're working with our students, we focus on these purposeful motor actions or outputs, because the more we can support them in controlling and organizing their bodies, the more able they are to express their thoughts and feelings.